opportunities are like buses. There's always one another coming. With this beautiful quote, a very enthusiastic morning to one and all present here. Myself Sneha and I heartily welcomes you all for today's inter-institutional idea competition which is organized by the School of Management Studies. Now we have judges with us. Mr. Rajesh Kapoor, he's a director in CRC and he has vast experience in corporate and industrial tie-ups and placements. Next we have Dr. Ashish Raina sir. He's a deputy dean of School of Hotel Management, Airlines and Tourism. Our esteemed guest is having 3 entrepreneurship ventures in different parts of the country. Can we have a huge round of applause for our judges, please? Now let's start the competition with the first participant, which is Mohit, Sadhana and Nancy, which is of BBA third semester. Please come upon the stage.
Good morning everyone present here. My name is Nancy and my team members Mohit and Sadhana are here with me for this competition. But before presenting our presentation, I want a participation from your side and our duly respected teachers can also participate in this interaction.
Good morning everyone. आजकल मार्केट में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? इंडियन मार्केट हो या यूएस मार्केट हो या कनाडा मार्केट हो, सभी में फीडबैक, जो कस्टमर्स का फीडबैक होता है वो हर कंपनी को बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देता है। वो उसके बेसिस पे चेंजेस करते हैं, प्राइस अप डाउन करते हैं।
Product.
Next candidate can help
और ग्रोथ करने में हेल्प करते हैं। और आप लोग मॉर्निंग से लेकर इवनिंग तक कितने प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हैं? अराउंड 30 to 40। और क्या आप सभी लोग सभी प्रोडक्ट से सेटिस्फाइड हैं? और ये बात कंपनी को पता है?
Yes, yes.
अगर आपके रिव्यू कंपनी को अगर ग्रोथ करने में हेल्प करे और आपको जो प्रोडक्ट यूज करना है उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट आए, तो ये इंडियन इकोनॉमी के लिए अच्छी बात है और हर कंपनी के लिए भी अच्छी बात है। तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट ये है कि आपका डायरेक्ट आपका फीडबैक हम कंपनी तक पहुंचाएं।
So yes, we are here with the idea of developing a new digital platform where the companies can get access to the real and true reviews of the customers and develop their company.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
So the name of our platform is Review Hub.
Okay, so as described by Sadhana, here it is the business model of our plan. You can see 3 pictures: customers, business and companies. Our platform will bridge the gap between customers and company. How? The customers have given the review-based content of any product or any company to our business, and those data or those contents are forwarded to the companies. Now those review-based contents can be of any product or any company. Suppose a mobile company Vivo is there or Samsung is there. Now are you satisfied with that mobile phone or with that washing machine or with that clothes? Those reviews will be transferred to the companies. Now in return what companies will provide us, and those will be provided to the customers.
Direction यहाँ पे करो.
So उन्होंने now companies will pay for the reviews, suppose, and those payment 50% remittance for the authentic review. Our business model assures that the reviews are trustworthy and authenticated. There will be no fake reviews as our platform is exclusive video based platform. With ratings, there are must video that yes, you are using that particular product and you are giving genuine reviews for that particular product.
So the mission of our platform is to provide the true and real feedbacks of the customers to the company so that they can make their product improved. They can know the real flaws or real-time problems faced by the customers through the video-based feedbacks or ratings, and the company can develop more and more with that reviews, and our platform will provide 50% of that payment to the customers also.
Come on. आराम से
So the next one is vision. What's the vision of our business?
इस प्लेटफॉर्म का मोटिव ये होगा विन विन विन, और कस्टमर एंड कंपनी एंड प्लेटफॉर्म, अगर तीनों में से अगर किसी को भी अगर फायदा नहीं है तो ये बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा। कंपनी का हमने देख लिया कि अगर सभी का रियल फीडबैक अगर कंपनी को मिल रहा है, और जैसे अगर कस्टमर्स के पास जाने में कंपनी का काफ़ी खर्चा आ जाता है, टाइम भी लग जाता है, 3-4 महीने मैक्सिमम लग ही जाते हैं, तो अगर उनके पास करोड़ों लोगों का डाटा सिर्फ कुछ मिनटों में उनके पास आ जाए तो ये कैसा रहेगा। और ये इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट भी जल्दी होगी और ये जल्दी से जल्दी इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा। मेन मोटिव ये है प्लेटफॉर्म का कि रियल फीडबैक जो कस्टमर्स देंगे कंपनी को वो डायरेक्ट पहुंचे उनके तक, और इसके लिए कंपनी पे करेगी प्लेटफॉर्म को, जो 50% प्लेटफॉर्म रखेगा और 50% कस्टमर को करेगा। अगर देखा जाए अगर इंडिया में मोस्टली पैसों से बढ़कर कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं होती है, जब उनके पास पहली इनकम आती है तो काफी ज्यादा मोटिवेट होते हैं हर एक। अगर आपके पास एक रिव्यू का अगर 250 रुपए भी आ रहा है तो ये इससे हर कोई मोटिवेट होगा। अगर जैसे मेरे पास अगर 250 रुपए आया तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स सभी को ऐप ये डाउनलोड करने के लिए सजेस्ट करूंगा। और 4-5 सालों में इंडिया और ग्लोबल लेवल पे एज ए लीडर वर्क करने का मतलब विजन है।
Now what is the uniqueness in us? There are maybe some reviews platforms who take reviews of different products, but what is uniqueness in us? First one is user generated video based unfiltered content. Videos cannot be, it can be edited but it cannot be changed. It cannot change the views of the customer. So next one is call for reviews. Our platform will provide an opportunity for the company so that they can call us and they can tell us about the new products that they have launched in the market, and they want the reviews from the customer, that what are the thinking of the customer about that new product. Next one is real time update. We will keep reviews up to date so that the customer can also know that the companies have changed some in the product, and companies can also know that yes, the changes have satisfied the customer's needs, which is very important. Next one is verified reviews. As said earlier also that our platform generates video based reviews, so it will be verified, it will be authenticated, it will be trustworthy. Chance to earn on review writing. People writing authentic reviews will get a chance to earn money out of review writing, as monetization is done depending upon their review or from company side, because company will choose the review, they will pay us, and those money 50% will be us and 50% will be given to the customers.
So our target customers will be of two types. companies and the public. Firstly, we will target the public to give true and real feedback in the form of videos and ratings also. It will be compulsory for the customer to make a video of the product so that the company can know the real flaws and the real appreciation of the product, and they can improve as well. Other target is the companies. We will target two types of companies, the companies which are launching new product in the market and the companies which are there with their existing products. We will target both of the companies so that they can get reviews of the existing product and the new products also.
Competitive analysis. There are some companies who take reviews from the customers, but the first one has no authenticity check because they are not providing video platform to everyone. Anyone can give fake reviews about any product, but there it is no authentic check, no video based review, and it has a very complex design. Like, if you will just search this site on the Google, it will be very difficult for you to search and where to write reviews about anything. And next one is Yelp. It doesn't operate in India. It's a foreign based company.
अब जैसे एक कंपनी एक रिव्यू का 500 पे कर रही है, तो अगर वो पर मंथ 50 रिव्यू भी अगर ले, मान लो हमारे पास आफ्टर 4 इयर्स 10,000 कंपनी है इंडिया में, लगभग 10,000 से ऊपर कंपनियां हैं हमारे पास। अगर प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमारे पास 10,000 कंपनियां हैं, उसमें से अगर 2,000 कंपनियां भी अगर पर मंथ ओनली 50 रिव्यू ले रही है, तो 2000 इंटू 50
1 lakh.
2000 into 50, 1 lakh and one रिव्यू का 500 है, और 1 लाख into 500 into 5 करोड़ है। जे एनुअल देखी जाए तो 5 करोड़ into 12 is 60 करोड़ एनुअल इनकम प्लेटफॉर्म की। बट इसमें 50% कस्टमर्स को भी देना है, और 30 करोड़ से आगे उसमें से स्टाफ मेंटेनेंस एंड सैलरीज वगैरह होनी है, और टोटल कुल मिला के 20 करोड़ हमारे पास एनुअल रिवेन्यू होगा।
Okay, so cost components, as we have limited time. So cost component, as we know that this is a digital platform, so we need a software designer also who will develop this app, and we will need some webmaster who will manage the websites and servers of the application. Next will be human resource also. We need some marketing managers, digital marketing managers also, and the sales managers teams. Next, some digital marketing experts also. Now income projections. As earlier mentioned by Mohit also, that he has given some rough ideas that how income will be generated, and here also some rough figures has been taken that expected numbers of reviews in 1 month is 500, and now average earnings in 1 month will be 350. So, and 350 is after giving to the customers. We will be left with 13 lakh profits. Like, there is no loss whether the customers give reviews or not, but there will be no loss, because maybe first year can be difficult for us to capture the market, but there will be no loss once the product is launched in the market. Once this application has been made, there is a definite profit. How we will achieve our mission? By pioneering authenticity in reviews and bridging consumers and businesses for informed decisions. Earlier mentioned also, our platform is about video-based review which cannot be changed and which cannot be influenced by other also. Thank you.
I seen everything is feasible. It looks like feasible. But I would like to understand the price you quoted is taken assumption, or is it something you have compared with the other competitors?
So actually the competitors do not give like definite amount. They have some criteria, like there is an app Swagbucks, and they say that if you earn 1000 points, then you will give in some amount like 200, 300. There is no fixed amount, but in our platform there is fixed amount, which like for example a company has accessed the review, they will give us 500 for the ratings and 500 for that video. And for like 1000 has come to our platform, now that 1500 will be given to the customer for that accessed reviews, and 500 will be taken in the company only.
So this model is going to be review friendly.
Yes, video based review friend.
Video based. So people will earn money by this model.
Yes.
Will you think this is going to be a real USP of this product?
So
Because their intention is to earn money, not give the real views. Somehow because you are giving the fixed amount and you are giving that values amount in terms of pointers, I think so. So authenticity of your USPs is authenticity of the
platform.
yes, review. So you have to ensure how this review is authenticated, you know. So you have not shared a model how you will check the authenticity of the reviews, you know.
Sir, for example, one person has purchased a product and he or she is not satisfied with that product. He or she will make the video that yes, I am facing this problem. If one has suppose given the fake review that yes, product is very good, so video will be available that the product is not working properly. There will be video that yes, the product is if good, then also video. If product is bad, then also video. If a person has faked the review that if a good product, he has considered that that product is not good, so this can be available in the video that the product is working perfectly, then also the person has given the fake review that it is not working properly. Video is compulsion with the ratings.
But video can also be forged. ओके तो वीडियो में भी तो बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो फैब्रिकेट की जा सकती हैं, ठीक है। मान के चलो लेट्स से आप कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लो, ठीक है, कि एक्चुअल जो वर्किंग है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का, ठीक है, लेट्स से कोलगेट की आप रिव्यू ले रहे हो, ठीक है, तो कोलगेट की जगह उस टाइम पे उसने कुछ और यूज करके दिखा दिया कि दिस इज हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम जस्ट टू अर्न मनी. So in that case, the authenticating it is very tedious job, and you are saying about lakhs of reviews, crores of reviews all over India. So it is a big challenge to check the authenticity of that very video itself. Video भी तो fake होती हैं.
Yes sir, but edited का पता लग जाता है ना कि सर जैसे आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि कोलगेट का प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, किसी और प्रोडक्ट का यूज करके बता दिया कि ये बेकार है. सर अगर कोई पर्सन कोलगेट की टूथपेस्ट अगर मैं निकाल के दिखा रहा है तो वो टूथपेस्ट भी तो दिखाएगा, सिर्फ प्लेट में ऐसे रख के नहीं ना दिखा देगा कि ये देखो ये ऐसा निकला है.
उसमें क्या, उसमें कितनी बड़ी बात है वो, अगर उसको 500 रुपए आप दे रहे हो तो वो इंजेक्ट भी कर सकता है, उसमें क्या है, वो थोड़ा सा इंजेक्शन भर देगा कुछ भी, ठीक है. तो इट इज वेरी वेरी you can say easy task because you are paying them, ठीक है. तो अगर आपका पेड मॉडल है, या तो if you are able to actually check, कोई आपकी कोई ऐसी टीम होगी जो उसको एक्चुअली चेक करे, ठीक है, तो that can be possible. And another thing is already most of the companies they are having the review system, ठीक है. तो आपका प्रोडक्ट उससे डिफरेंट कैसे होगा कि ऑलरेडी उनके वेबसाइट पे पेजेस हैं, ग्रीवेंसेस हैं, ओके, एंड कंज्यूमर फोरम इज आल्सो देयर. किसी को अगर प्रॉब्लम है प्रोडक्ट से तो वो सीधा कंज्यूमर फोरम में कंप्लेंट करेगा और उसको hefty he will be getting a hefty amount also of it. तो आपके पास क्यों आएगा वो?
सर यहाँ पे मोस्टली अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट से सर्टिफाइड नहीं है तो अगर इनमें से कौन सा पर्सन अभी तक कंप्लेंट लेके गया होगा? मतलब आपने कहा कि जैसे दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म रिव्यू बेस्ड है, हमारा जो रिव्यू बेस्ड सिस्टम है, पर मंथ एक प्रोडक्ट में 2 वीडियोस होंगी, 2 रिव्यूज, एंड उससे फेक यूजर्स नहीं आएंगे। फेक यूजर्स
कैसे इंश्योर करोगे? दिस इज द मेन क्वेश्चन।
ओ कैसे इंश्योर करोगे? आधार कार्ड वाली बात बताना कि
इंश्योर कौन करेगा कि ये फेक है या ये ओरिजिनल है?
सर हमारे पास 2 सिस्टम हो गए, एक रेटिंग बेस्ड और एक वीडियो बेस्ड। रेटिंग में भी हमने बताना ये मतलब इतने स्टार है, और वीडियो में एक उसकी बैड थिंग्स बतानी है, एक गुड थिंग्स बतानी है। सर हर एक प्रोडक्ट की अच्छी और बुरी क्वालिटी होती है। अगर एक कस्टमर बता रहा है गुड, दूसरी बता रहा है उसी चीज को गुड बता रहा है, तो वो
तो आप रेवेन्यू कहाँ से अर्न करोगे? फ्रॉम द कंपनी इटसेल्फ।
यस सर।
कंपनी आपको रेवेन्यू प्रोवाइड करेगी,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? तो वुड कंपनी बी रिसेप्टिव इनफ टू, बिकॉज वो आप पे विश्वास कैसे करेगी कंपनी? सबसे पहले तो
क्योंकि सर हमारा फेक फीडबैक वाला नहीं होगा, और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हर कंपनी को काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है रिव्यू लेने में कस्टमर से, उसमें कॉस्ट भी आ जाती है। कई बार इतने टाइम में उसका कंपनी का लॉस भी ज़्यादा होता है। अगर काफ़ी लोगों का डाटा एक ही टाइम पे उसे मिल जाए तो उसके लिए ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा, क्योंकि वो वेरीफाइड होगा। हर कस्टमर हर कस्टमर जैसे रिव्यू देगा तो जैसे वेरीफाइड होगा आधार कार्ड से, तो एक कस्टमर सिर्फ एक ही अकाउंट बनाएगा, उसमें से फेक अकाउंट कोई नहीं होगा और रिव्यू कोई फेक नहीं होगा।
चलो, we understand very nicely you presented. There is chances to improvement, so you can do it and work on this. It would work, I think so. Couple of years we can see your product is in the market. Congratulations to you. Thank you so much.
so as this was the initial try, so it was a good one. Okay, all the best.
Presentation is only 10 minutes. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at the hand. Next, I would like to invite Prince, Talochan and Mehakpreet Kaur of BBA third semester.
My name is Talochan and my name is Prince and Mehak. Here we introduce a chip that can easily detect a heart rate and heart attack. Because as we all know, heart attack is a major problem nowadays. Because in the era of technology, like most of the deaths are due to the heart attack. So we can introduce a chip that can easily heart rate with the sensors and algorithm, and it is activated with watches, bracelet and cutters, and it's make your simple variable into a smart thing. And it's also very affordable because in the era of technology we all know that all the variables are very expensive. So now and we all know we have if we saw the charts in the last 10 years the heart attack rate is increased by 10,000. That is very major difference. So as we know that if in India one lakh person is died, so only 272 are died by the heart attack. But as compared to 1 lakh to 270, it is a very minor difference. But as we think about see the global average, that is 235. So as we compare to global and India, it is a very major difference in the heart attack rate. So in India, heart attack is a major difference and major problem. So we have a solution, the cardio team, that we make that with the help of sensor and algorithm, it can detect our blood and the heart problems, and it also senses our stress level. So it can be to calculate with this, they can easily detect the heart rate. And then now we can use the ECG to detect the heart rate. But now we have a technology that can easily measure the blood. So by measuring the blood, it can easily detect the heart muscle damage. So it can be easily used. So it also detects the stress level. So by the stress level detecting and by the blood, it can easily detect the heart rate. So if anyone can have the heart problem, so it can early detection too and can save the person by give the message to their loved ones and their family members. So it is easily attachable. If you have any watch, bracelet, it can be easily attached with this. ठीक है? And it is affordable also. As we know, there are many brands like Apple, Samsung. It is a very expensive brand who provide ECG. But we have an affordable sensor, so we can make it affordable, so anyone can afford it and use it.
Next.
There is a product benefits that is.
Now it's product benefits. As we get earlier detection. For example, we take a patient to hospital. The doctor says if you take your patient before 10 to 15 minutes of a heart attack, we can't use the stent inhibitors. So they can provide medicines which reduce the heart attack problem before we have to go for operations. So our device can be earlier detect the heart attack. They send the message to the customer. You have a chances to get a heart attack. So from this we can get a home remedies which resolve the heart attack problem. Next, improve the survival rate. If we get the earlier detection, so from that the chances of a death of a person can be reduced by knowing the problem, what is the main reason to getting the heart attack, and we can help them to get safe from the stent operation too. Continuing monitoring, our device can't stop at the one point. फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी को हार्ट अटैक आ गया एक बार, बट हम ये थोड़ी कह देंगे कि आपको एक बार हमने डिटेक्ट कर लिया तो बार बार हम डिटेक्शन नहीं करेंगे कि आपको हार्ट अटैक प्रॉब्लम आएगा. हमारा डिवाइस जो है वो बार बार बताएगा कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ रहा है जिसको आपसे हार्ट अटैक की प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. आप मेडिटेशन करो, आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल मेंटेन करो, आप क्लीन फूड खाओ जिससे अपना कोलेस्ट्रॉल ना बढ़े, जिससे आपके हार्ट अटैक प्रॉब्लम ना आए. हम ये चीजें उसको कंटिन्यू मॉनिटर करके बताएंगे कि आपकी हेल्थ कैसी है, कि आप कितना जंक फूड खा रहे हैं, आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल कितना है, आपकी ब्लड शुगर लेवल कितना है, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर कितना है, जिसकी वजह से हार्ट अटैक्स आते हैं. अफोर्डेबल, एज वी नो माय टीममेट सेज दैट द एप्पल प्रोवाइड दिस सेम थिंग before, but their pricing was 75,000 for this chip, but we take this chip at 16,000 to 70,000 price range, which anyone can afford. But the Apple Watch, the lower middle class and middle class people can't afford. But our product can be easily afforded by lower middle class and middle class. Reduce the healthcare cost. If someone have to be a stent surgery, there was a lakhs amount we required for the surgery. If we give the information before the heart attack, their healthcare cost will be reduced. Last 7th thing, we have integrated with the healthcare system. We need a doctors who prescribe the problem solution to the customer. That's why we integrated with the local hospital. They get to monitor the customer's health and provide the prescription. Why this problem occur? What are the solution of this thing? Business model carnivores. My key partners are Lochan, Prince, Mahek and Palvinder. The key activities are technology. We have to improve our technology, because in this world India have not that invent the chip. They have start studying about it, but they studying that we have to place the chip near the heart. But our chip are placed at the watch, through which it is easily to use and it has less chances to get error answers. Next, Karan. This is a market review. We take 10 feedbacks. First was will you buy it? If it is affordable. Majority of the people say maybe we buy it. Second, if you survive, what service you expected in this chip? They say we required all the services which we given. The price you expected, majority of 60% people say we require this watch at 7,000 to 13,000 range, price range. And last question we asked, do you think the heart attack is a major problem? So 80% person say that it is a major problem in India. Our competitions are Apple Watch. As you see the price of the Apple Watch, it's 75,999 rupees. No one can afford. Middle class and lower middle class or poor people can't afford that watch. On the other hand, if we talk about the Samsung watch, it's also about 30,000 rupees. But that also can't be afforded by everyone. If we talk about convenient and expensive, Apple Watch was convenient, but it's expensive because no one can afford it. If we talk about expensive and inconvenient, Samsung Watch was inconvenient. If someone gets sick, they can't call an emergency to a hospital. On the other hand, inconvenient and affordable. Both watch only record our steps and nothing else. affordable and convenient, the cardio chip. Our product was affordable and convenient. We also provide everything if someone gets failed, and the message is sent to the hospital and their loved ones.
Now, if I talk about our growth strategy, we can divide it into 3 phases. What we can do in our phase 1 is that our cardio chip can justly detect heart attack. What are the symptoms in when a person is suffering from a heart disease? Normally, he can go through a pain, and after that there is a problems like high blood pressure, high sugar level. These are the problems that they face, and our cardio chip will understand this and they can measure the blood pressure level, sugar level. After that, this chip is connected with a mobile application, and that mobile application will provide all the information related to heart, like what to do, what not to do. If a person is suffering from any type of heart disease, what he can do, what to eat, not to eat, all the information is provided in it. And other thing we can add in our mobile application is that video clip. And as we know that doctors will say that yoga is the best medicine for anything. And through these video clips, what we can do is that special experts are hired. That experts will provide us information that what exercises should we have to done to make our heart healthy. I think this is the best part, that if we can be prepared in advance, that we can not be suffering from this disease. What we can do in our phase 2 is that our cardio chip will provide us information related to sugar level or oxygen level in our blood, and this will provide us, if it's a very critical situation, it provides us what precautions should we take on a currently basis. And this chip will, if the case is of emergency, this chip will, as it is connected with the mobile phone, this mobile phone will provide the information to the hospital that there is a critical situation here, and as GPS is attached with mobile phone, that will provide locations to the hospital, and through that hospital is connected with the patients, and they can receive the patient from there. What we can do in our phase 3, we can provide an ambulance service in which a cardiologist is present with all the equipments that are required for a heart patient, and they can cure the patient easily, and it's a time-saving method. After that, we can plan our action plan in such a way that we can start our journey in 2024, in which firstly we can supply volunteers. After that, we can run focus group. What the focus group will do is that they can get the information, what to do, what not to do, and then gathering all the information, and until October we will get all the feedback, what we can do and what are the changes we can require. After that, what we can do in 2025 is that we can give our cardio chip for testing. After that, during testing, if they can face any problem, we can change during the time period till July. After that, we can legally launch it in a market, so that till December we can deliver it to the hospitals, and as doctor is connected, and they can provide all the information to the customers that this is a good method. If customers are not in a critical situation, if with our little effort they can save their life, it's the best for us. Now, if I talk about funding, we can approach to the certain conditions. Now, our first condition is insurance. We can obtain the revenue from insurances. After that, angel investors are a best approach for us. We can contract with angel investors, and they can provide fundings to us up to some amount. After that, as we all are in a partners, we can contribute some amount in this approach. After that, we can allot our shares in a market and get revenue from it.
Next.
Now at the end, if I conclude this whole, we can say that we can generate this cardio chip in such a way that it's affordable for everyone, anyone can use it, and as it is totally connected with the mobile phone, that mobile phone will provide us all the information that what to do, what precautions should we take, what to eat, not to eat, and then it can provide us that how we can do exercises daily to save us our life and to make our heart healthy. And it's an accessible and inexpensive approach. Everyone can afford it. And it's an era for technology. With this technology, we can save the life of a people. There is nothing better option for us than this. If we can save the life of some people. This is all about our presentation. Thank you.
If you have any question, you can ask.
Thank you so much. You have given nice presentation first of all, and I've seen all this content what you have shared with us. Here I would like to know, because this is all game of a chip. So you have not discussed about the authenticity, precision of the chip, who is the manufacturer of this, how you are taking care of this, because all game, our money, insurance and cash, everything is involved with the chips. So please detail us, give us some details about the chips as well.
Sir, we can make a chip with all the sensors like ECG or that can detect the blood will insert it. And we have a friend that we can made a software with the help of the engineers, and we take a lot of time because we are starting with 2024 because we have a lot of research for it to know about all the things.
Sir, for example, in USA and Canada, this chip was performed and there was a testing way. They have a failures. From there we get what is the pros on their chips and what is the failures of their chip. From that their failures we can make into our pros. After that, in India there was one chip was on the plan, which you have to install in near the heart, but it is very critical for a person. If the chip gets some allergy, a person have allergic from something, the heart muscles can be destroyed through the chip. So we can gather the information from the previous researches which have been performed all over the globe. From that researches we make up chip and we...
Thank you so much. I understand that you are making opportunities which is already in a challenged previously in other countries. This is a wonderful idea, you can get it. And secondly, you have shared the plan of costings and budgeting as well. I did not see this, including chips and entire process of hospitals. Otherwise, it's okay, it's feasible, it's wonderful for the society as well for the healthcare sectors. Market is booming with the healthcare sectors. Each and every government, including Indian government, is investing a first priority after defense in the healthcare. So this market can be boom. This is in high demand. Thank you for my side.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I have questions for you. The very first one is you're talking about the chip. You're not talking about the product.
Sir, our main product was chip. If we talk
No. Chip is something that need to be installed in a product. Either you are putting it in a watch or in a wristband or in something other than wearable that you talked about. So I don't see the product here. It's only the chip that you're talking about. There is no product.
So we had at the starting stage. So we first main focus is chip. If our chip was not that good, if they have a not authenticity, if they have failures, he says that there is any patient have not heart problem, they say that you have a heart attack condition. If our chip was not good, what about the product? We have firstly focused on the chip, which is a major thing which we are installing in the product.
Okay, I got it. So you will be testing it on certain prototypes?
Yes, sir.
So what that prototype is, how you are going to identify those results? How either you are going to put that chip in somebody's heart, where you are going to test that chip, that is what I am asking.
सर देखो भी हम रिसर्च करेंगे क्योंकि वो स्पॉट डमी हमें प्रोवाइड हो जाते हैं हॉस्पिटल में जो इजली हार्ट का डमी होगा सर उसमें वेनस में हम वहाँ पे उसकी डमी की आँख में हम उसे इंजेक्ट कर सकते हैं उसके पास रखेंगे और हम मैनुअली हम उसे हार्ट को कंट्रोल करेंगे कर सकते हैं सर वो डमी के साथ है ना सर जब अगर हम डमी से टेस्ट कर सकते हैं सर
सी testing generally gets fruitful result only when it is being tested on the thing that you are going to manufacture. If you are going to test it in the heart, right? So that need to be there. जो आपका product होगा वो वही होगा. If you need to test it on somebody's wrist, it has to be on the wrist, then only you can get the result.
हमें वर्क करके ना सर वो उसके साथ जो हमारी वेनस होती हैं जो जिसमें हमारी नाड़ियाँ होती हैं हम उसके साथ अटैच करेंगे नॉट डायरेक्टली टू द हार्ट तो उससे सर वो क्लियर भी एक्यूरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें दे रहा है नहीं दे रहा उससे पता चल जाएगा.
So you are talking about a variable that can be weighed on the wrist. Your competitors, as you said, is Apple and Samsung.
Because they are very affordable and not affordable and expensive.
So what do you think your costing would be for that?
Sir,
we planned that we have in the event we give three price ranges. The most of the public say we can buy in 7,000 to 13,000, but we plan that we should make it 6,000 to 13,000 if in between, not more than that. Ki anyone can afford, lower middle class or upper middle class too.
So, recently there is a product that has been introduced by Boat in the market. So they are coming up with a smart ring which can be worn on your fingers and it can detect many things. Plus you can actually control most of the functions of your cell phone with that particular ring.
सर हमारे में मेन फोकस ही हार्ट अटैक पे है, बट सर आपने जब हमने ग्राफ डाला है उसमें जो जितने भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हुए हैं पर उसके बाद भी हार्ट अटैक रेट बढ़ी है, कम नहीं हुई है सर। तो हमारा मेन प्रॉब्लम है हार्ट अटैक।
Our main problem to solve the problem in India which related to heart attack. If you talk about ring, from ring is wearing in the fingers. From fingers we can't measure everything. From finger we can't measure blood pressure. From finger we can't measure blood. From finger we can't measure the more things. From wrist we can measure many things measured by the that. From wrist we can measure the stress level. From fingers we can't measure that stress level.
Okay, got it. Now another thing, the fundings. How much money do you need?
सर फंडिंग्स तो हमें लगेगी सर, क्योंकि सभी
How much?
सर देर 1 to 2 CR तो लगेगा, 1 to 2 CR।
There is a difference 1 to 2 CR.
We need in 1.50 CRs to because have to be testing on the dummies too and the humans too. Sometime in dummies we face some failures, but in human we say same failures are coming. First for that we have to pay the person from where we tested. So we need 1.50 CRs.
Alright, so your idea was good, that's it from my side, but just a suggestion to you that whenever you are starting any business, your idea is one, and the second thing is you should be very clear with the fundings. That is important, which you have not shared in this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today myself Jasper from BBA IBM first semester has got an opportunity to deliver a startup idea in front of you. Being an opportunistic person, I always smells an opportunity and take advantage of it. Today I also got an opportunity to deliver an idea in front of you. So judges, sir, it would be helpful later. First of all, just say. Okay. So here in front of you, I have started recently I have got an idea to make a caffeine-free coffee world. So in front of you, everyone drinks coffee. Do you agree? Everyone drinks coffee. We as a youngster studies night and time pass on mobile phone. For morning we instant junk, we need coffee. But coffee has an harmful content, that is caffeine, which is very harmful for the body. So I have now made a caffeine-free coffee using date seed. So respected judges, so there are two coffees in front of you. The right side is of XYZ brand, and right side, that one coffee is of my brand, Mother Coffee, which is made from date seed coffee. So everyone would date seed coffee. So has anyone got an idea that how can date seed coffee made? So with judges, there is a research paper in front of you, date seed coffee. Sir, smell it. It would be totally same as the. This one is yours? Yeah, yes sir, this one. The coffee which I made is totally of my brand, only Manor Coffee. This one is date seed? Yes. Okay. It's coffee. It smells like coffee. So you can smell from the powder also. It's almost same. Remote. Okay. Taste it. So here is what is caffeine? A large chunk of coffee consumer drink that it for instant energy. So everyone will wonder that how have I got an idea of a date seed coffee? First of all, date is a thing which provides instant energy. The Muslim people during Roza consume one date because for entire day they have to remain fasting for more than 24 hours. So here is also a research paper by Indonesia, most famous university of Indonesia, that experienced that how it's dated. All the projects, all the details are mentioned in it. So now move next slide. So is caffeine harmful? Yes, caffeine can lead to heart failure, anxiety, insomnia, high blood pressure and addiction. Addiction is the main thing why we love coffee. What do we offer? We offer same energy, same thing and cheap price. First of all, if I talk about my costing, here my costing is 0 rupees because I got an idea like my grandfather usually dates in the morning. So I got an idea and little bit do research of it. I roasted the seeds, grind it and made the coffee out of it, and it smells like coffee. But it would take a time to that it's a coffee. We can all say that it's an energy drink, but I will prove that it would be considered as the coffee as a day. So where it all started, as I have already told that my grandfather eat date seeds and all. This is the seed idea I have got from it. Which company contains more caffeine? Here is a trend. Like Nescafe has in 100 gram powder, it has nearly 35 gram protein, whereas Brew 57, Red Label 50 and others have 60, whereas Meller has in positive side 100% caffeine free coffee. So here is the table slide that traditional coffee and Meller coffee, energy 3.5.19 kcal, ash 1.04, carbs 91.37, protein 5.92, fat 0.67. This is all, and caffeine is absent. Back. So how everyone had a question, how can it replace the need of a coffee? So basically it can replace the need of the coffee because coffee has caffeine in it, and our target audience will be caffeine addicted people, young audience, and most importantly now I will talk about the caffeine. Sir, this is one. This is the one. Yes, sir.
So with a darker.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, we will be asking questions afterwards.
Okay. So the main question I come back to my point is that how can it replace the need of the coffee? It can replace the need of the coffee like first of all it's cheaper. From searching on internet, and I am getting the date seed coffee at date seeds at rupees 50 rupees kg, and from 1 kg after separating down all wastage and everything, I got nearly about 350 grams coffee from it, and my costing would be the costing would be nearly zero for me, and it would be the banger idea. And you all would have an idea that is any competitor available in the market. Definitely there is a competitor. Nescafe makes this coffee, but not with the help of date seed coffee. It makes an unroasted coffee beans, which are green beans, available in the New Zealand. But in India, it's not feasible to grow green beans because most of the coffee is grown in Assam and Bangalore area. And so for basically we can substitute with date seed coffee. And there are many advantages of the dates written over in research paper established by University of Indonesia. And moreover, there are many questions related how. Firstly, if I will start the business, I will outsource the production, as my risk would be low because in India, health energy market is very segregated. And the cold drinks, like if I talk about cold drinks need refrigeration alone. But in India, transportation refrigeration is not feasible and approachable in any rural area, not in it's very expensive. And this would be in small cups like 24 gram coffee is nearly around 48 rupees, sir. That coffee costs nearly around 48 rupees, selling price. 48 rupees selling price, and the cost of empty bottle is nearly 5 to 7 rupees. Here labeling is done little bit not very professional level or commercial. This is just for an idea replication. It is basically a prototype. Here I have no any moisture in it. Firstly, for making it more feasible.
Taste will be similar with that of coffee or.
Exactly, sir. Coffee like a person who is addicted to Nescafe coffee. He will, if he joins our coffee with the mindset of it, he will be totally be the taste and the appearance would be same. Firstly, it would, as I am again saying, it would come in health energy drink category, not in coffee category, because in India, coffee market chain is increasing day by day. Like every youngster has an aim and idea to drink expensive coffee, but the most expensive coffee it is the most harmful coffee it is. because Indians mentality is that drinking a coffee is like we can say a superior class. But after it would be a futuristic idea because everyone would be to the rate of coffee at one time, like tea. Like but Indians are totally addicted to tea. But that time it can surplus the need of coffee because it smells like coffee, it looks like coffee, and it feels like coffee. So it would look and feel like coffee only. So any questions, sir?
Given this presentation about your product, Mellow Coffee. So this prototype is already ready.
Yes, sir. It is like I have today made for an idea. Earlier last year also I represented by my school for the same idea. I got a prize also there. So it is now I want to take it to next level. So I represented again. It is little bit improved version of it. So its prototype is ready. But if for selling I want to add like there is a shelf life area. And I just need a lab report to launch in the market. And to reduce the risk, I will outsource the production first.
So from last year to this year, what kind of improvements you have done?
Improvements, sir, I have made that how can be wastage be more. Earlier I was like in front of you can see that I take dates and take the seed from it, which is very expensive because dates nearly cost around 400 rupees kg. And from this I nearly get around 100 grams of like we can say dates from it, from 1 kg or 200 kg of dates, 1 kg dates pack, chware resins we say them. So now I am looking towards India Mart websites and searching for solar, but I need at least 100 kg. 100 kg seeds would be there, and after taking out the best seed out of it, roasting them, I would nearly obtain 350 grams of coffee from it. So it would like 100 gram, like 1 kg seeds, 350 gram coffee. Because in all process there is a wastage, segregation, I will take the top quality seeds from it.
So you have not shared the costing details over here. This you explained. I try to understand out of 300-400 rupees of dates, you are bringing 350 grams of coffee. And this...
No. I actually that prototype that I made, that was the costing of it because 100 kg seeds is not feasible and economical for me to buy at this time of now. Because as I am a student only this time. When I will take it to next level, then I can do this.
Okay, and something is noticed that you got an award last year and a prize.
Yes.
So you mentioned very smartly right now on the stage. So you're expecting again.
Yes.
Is it like this? So it's going to be tough competition.
See, at that time I was the senior of my school. That I was also a co-curricular captain that time.
So how long you are working on this project?
It has been 1 year.
So who else are helping to you?
At that time, at my school friend was here. Me, wo team represented. Now he's on different place.
Who is your mentor on this?
Mentor, actually, I said that morning it just came an idea and little bit YouTube and that research paper I read about it. So I got a curiosity to create it.
So you research on many of the platforms you already shared. This is a wonderful I've seen. This is a right idea to share wherever you are getting the data.
Yeah.
And what kind of previous practice in market already there? You have not shared these details.
Previous market, like again telling you, sir, Nescafe is making green coffee, which is Nescafe. We can't say that it's a caffeine-free coffee, but it is made from green beans, which is available in the country of New Zealand on that Australia side. But in India, green beans are not at all available. So that costing is nearly about 560 rupees kg, 560 rupees for 100 grams, and which is not feasible to everyone buy it. It's decaf coffee come of Nescafe brand.
Okay.
So, and now I am creating a separate category. Firstly, I am again saying that it would be a healthy thing. But when the futuristic, because everyone is getting addicted to coffee, then it would be totally considered as
And what is the shelf life of this bottle?
Shelf life, sir, here until moisture doesn't arrive, it can live along because it's a prototype. But if with the help of good machinery, which I will expand in the business, the shelf life will increase to nearly 90 days till 180 days, depending upon the quality of seeds and quality of machinery I am using.
The project is good, but you are not discussed about the funding process, establishment.
I will just outsource the production. I will first have to get all the certification from lab and moisture and my parents, and I will make it like as a family business only, not from anywhere else. I want to just represent an idea and I want to just create the hype of it. Hype would be there, business would be grown automatically.
Come in the market with a full proposal. if you are creating hype without a full proposal, it will not be feasible.
Okay, sir.
Somebody will buy this idea and grab the market. So I always request, if you have to strike on someone, you have to strike with a full power, you
Okay,
know.
sir.
So that is the only point which I would like to mention, that you have to come up with the costing, pricing as well. So I would like to request to my other judge members, co-member, he will ask some question. Thank you from my side.
Okay, thanks, sir.
So, question from my side is that you are saying that you are going to create caffeine-free coffee. Okay. So, let's say the person who is having certain kind of addiction to the caffeine. Okay, because basically caffeine, it used to refreshes our mind and we feel more energetic. Okay. So, if it is without caffeine, so will it serve that kind of a purpose?
It would see if like a caffeine addicted person in today's world, we can smell him a coffee. Like smell him a coffee and make him as a saying coffee, because it will be a health benefit also. Because I am working on a smell, it is like I am not executing that it's 100% smells like coffee.
So are you adding certain ingredients to create that kind of a smell?
Car powder is available, sir. I am adding little bit of car powder now. Because car powder, if I add more car powder in it, it will decrease the quality of it. But with the helping of proper machinery, because now I'm just making at home and with the help of normal OTGs and microwaves. But when it would be the fully machinerized, it will totally serve the need of a caffeine addicted person to this.
So all the very best for this unique idea.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Next, I would like to invite Bhumi Sharma of BCom third semester. Please have a huge round of applause for Bhumi Sharma.
Hello. So, innovative business idea. So, what is innovative? कि जो चीज अभी तक मार्केट में भी नहीं आई हो और जो चीज थोड़ी सी नहीं हो. So, शर्मा टूर एंड ट्रेवल्स. तो इसमें ट्रैवलिंग सबको पसंद है आज के टाइम में. लाइक ट्रैवलिंग सभी लाइक करते हैं. तो लेकिन हैक्टिक भी हो जाता है कि प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है, कैसे होटल बुकिंग्स होंगी, कैसे टिकट्स होंगी. तो वो चीज इजी कैसे बनाएं. तो ये एक वेबसाइट है जिसमें सब कुछ ऑलरेडी आपको गिवन होगा. आपने जस्ट अपना बजट फिल करना है और जितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए आप ट्रैवलिंग करना चाहते हैं उतना टाइम पीरियड आपने फिल करना है. सो व्हाट इज द बिजनेस आइडिया. तो बिजनेस आइडिया क्या है? अ वेबसाइट दैट ऑफर्स पर्सनलाइज्ड ट्रैवल itineraries based on your specific interests and preferences and many more things. So what to do with this website? In this website you just have to enter your data as I have said earlier. So in this website you just have to enter your budget and for how many days you want to plan for a trip. So what does this website offers? Act as a tour guide. ये आपको गाइड भी करेगी कि लाइक कौन कौन सी प्लेसेस हैं और आप कहाँ कहाँ जा सकते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पे आपने स्टॉप्स लेने हैं, कहाँ पे कौन सा होटल है. होटल बुकिंग्स भी करेंगी. लाइक आपको प्राइस डिटरमिनेशन में भी हेल्प करेगा. और ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी लाइक हर पर्सन का एक कंफर्ट जोन होता है. किसी को बसेस में ट्रेवल करना पसंद है, किसी को बाय ट्रेन, किसी को बाय कार. तो आपको ये भी फैसिलिटी मिलेगी कि हम कौन सी किस चीज़ पे हम ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे, किसका क्या प्राइस है, एवरीथिंग. सो पर्पस क्या है कि एवरीथिंग इन वन क्लिक. लाइक अगर हम कोई और वेबसाइट पे किसी और ऐप पे ट्राई करते हैं तो हमें वहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ता है कि हर एक अलग अलग ऐप्स पे ट्राई करना पड़ता है कि किसी में क्या फैसिलिटी होती है. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक ही वेबसाइट पे आपको हर एक चीज़ अवेलेबल होगी. टेंशन फ्री ट्रैवलर्स. लाइक कुछ हेक्टिक नहीं है कि आपको बस अपना बजट फिल करना है और सब कुछ आपको इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. सो मार्केटिंग एंड प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटजीज. लाइक कोई भी वेबसाइट है, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है, सबसे पहले मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज भी मैटर करती हैं कि अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट की गुडविल ही नहीं होगी और हम उसकी प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटजीज ही प्लान नहीं करेंगे तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा. तो
फर्स्ट है सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग। तो सोशल मीडिया जैसे इंस्टाग्राम पे हम कर सकते हैं, लाइक हम कुछ क्रोम पे भी देखते हैं, कोई भी वेबसाइट हम ओपन करते हैं तो उस पर हम एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे सकते हैं। जैसे कि हमारे पास आती है कि हम एड्स इस पर क्लिक करो, एक क्लिक उसके बाद वेबसाइट ओपन होगी, तो ऐसा कुछ। सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, ये प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम ऑप्टिमाइज करेंगे बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स जैसे कंटेंट, इसके कीवर्ड्स और मेटा लिंक्स। कंटेंट मार्केटिंग कि हम कौन सा कंटेंट यूज कर रहे हैं। ईमेल मार्केटिंग, मेल्स के थ्रू हम अपने वेबसाइट को दूसरों के तक शेयर करेंगे। इन्फ्लुएंसर कोलैबोरेशंस, और भी कंपनीज के साथ हम कोलैब कर सकते हैं। एंड ऑफलाइन इवेंट्स, ऑफलाइन इवेंट्स जैसे हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता सकते हैं या इवेंट्स कर सकते हैं, किसी भी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटीज में बता सकते हैं। डिस्काउंट्स एंड रेफरल प्रोग्राम्स, इसकी सबसे बड़ी एडवांटेज ये होगी कि हमें कोई मेंबरशिप या कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं करना पड़ेगा, जस्ट हम जैसे सर्विस लेंगे उस अकॉर्डिंग ही इसके चार्जेस होंगे। Benefits: avoid hectic traveling. As I have said earlier, just pack your bags and go for traveling wherever you want to go. Traveling becomes easy. कुछ भी प्लान करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ यहाँ पर आपको प्रोवाइडेड होगा। No need to do bookings on different apps. Just एक ऐप में आप अपना सब कुछ फिल करके आपके लिए अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी चीजें। Competitive landscapes. अब अगर हमने वेबसाइट बनाई है तो उसका कंपटीशन भी होगा। जैसे गूगल मैप्स हमें सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड करते हैं। रेडबस सिर्फ एक टिकट्स, जैसे हमने यहाँ जाना है तो उसकी बुकिंग्स। ट्रिवागो सेम, एंड ट्रिप एडवाइजर सिर्फ हमें गाइड करता है, नथिंग मोर, लेकिन यहाँ पर सब कुछ हमें अवेलेबल हो रहा है। रेवेन्यू मॉडल, ई कॉमर्स से हम इसको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। एडवर्टाइजिंग लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे, सोशल मीडिया पे। सब्सक्रिप्शन और मेंबरशिप फीस यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो हम जो भी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेंगे उसकी ही एक फीस होगी। एंड एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग जैसे कॉन्टैक्ट प्रोवाइड करना और कीवर्ड्स और मेटा लिंक्स। थैंक यू।
Such kind of competitors are already there in market. You have not prepared some analysis report along with the competitions, so you have not shared the threats and opportunities over here. You are given an insight of this proposal, but when you are presenting some proposal on this platform, so you must have to give some revenue model, competition, market feasibilities. So I think you have to work on this proposal and represent again with the next competition.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
See failures as the beginning and the middle, but never entertain it as an end. Now I would like to invite Rohit Chopra of BBA first semester section B. Please have a huge round of applause for him.
My name is Rohit Chopra. Welcome to my presentation for business idea. My business idea is increasing the financial literacy of everyone. In our students, our college students have no financial plans and financial advice. They also earn money, but in today's world, everyone is earning, but they don't know how to increase their wealth. People spend all money what they earn. Also, sometimes people take more loans to buy more things, but they entering in the financial crisis. After that, there are many people makes financial plans, but they have no full guidance. Some people are depositing money in the bank, but their value of money is reducing day by day, and out of some people are making the FDs, but FD has not fully future secures. They are also reducing our money day by day. My target audience is college students. After that, I target the job persons, such as they earn money for spendings. But I want to guide them. How can they make their future secure and financially free, and how to get rid of financial crisis. Also, why I want this, because financial education market is very big, but in India, 27% of population is financially educated. And how I earn? We charge them on subscriptions like monthly basis, on quarterly basis, and also we can charge on annual basis. we can sell them e-books of financial materials such as how to make financial plans and how to get rid of financial crisis. And if we market our product very in a good way, then we can capture the market share of national education market. Market share means that if in India everyone wants to learn financial literacy, if we have a 50% market share of financial market education, then our if 100 rupees product is sell, then our 50% is a share of market, then we get 50 rupees. Then how much revenue I want to earn? There is no doubt everyone is for earning money. Sir, you also earning for money, and I also want to earning more money. But my main aim is increase the financial literacy of everyone. How they can increase the financial literacy and make the financial plans and how to get rid of financial crisis. There is everyone earning money, but they do not know how to increase their wealth. If we, with this initiative, we can make the 50% or 10 to 15% financial literacy, then it is very big achievement for us. How much we need money for our services? It's basically depend on the how much cost of project is we pay. If we pay 10 lakh per month, then we need to charge that money which we can clear our expenses and earn some money. Now, what is my business idea? My business idea is providing the financial literacy to everyone, help them to get financially educated, financially independent, or financially freedom. First, I will target to the college student, then I target the corporate people such as like जो स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं उनको गाइड कर सकता हूँ. जैसे हमारे प्लान्स आए हैं, उनको फाइनेंशियल पोस्ट की फंडिंग नहीं मालूम था, वो हम बता सकते हैं उनको कि कैसे वो अपना कॉस्ट ऑफ फंडिंग कैसे जज कर सकते हैं, कैसे अपने एक्सपेंसेस को कंट्रोल कर और अनवाइडेड फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस से दूर हो सकते हैं. सच एज इन इंडिया there are 4 to 5% of population they are investing in the stock market. According to our SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India, only 89% of people are lose their money in the stock market because they have not financially educated. If we will apply my strategy, my plan, then we can make them financially educated and change their numbers. And we also provide financial advisory to help to make financial plans and financial decisions. We can target the small and medium business for the financial advisory, help them to get rid of a financial crisis. I know very well my competitors are big. If I hard work, then can I compete them. My business goal are making people financially educated and contributing in the Indian GDP and economy. How say the Indian GDP increasing with the help of my idea, because if people are financially educated, then they can make the financial plans and they never get in the financial crisis. Also, they can, if they earn good money, then the GDP of India increase, and then the India will become the first world largest economy. Now India is 5th largest economy. How will we lead how will I lead with your strengths, my strengths? My strength is there. I have big chance to start my startup because this market is very big. I have many plans in the interest of finance. I also want to make career in the field of finance. Now I am solo, but in the future I choose my mentors, my partners, so they are my strength in future. If my idea is selected here, or in future whenever I have to chance to do this, then I give my 100% to my idea. The business idea is social cause and social problem solving. How it is social problem solving? So people are earning money, but they don't know how to increase their wealth and how to make financial plans. Well, if under this we
summarize it. Basically, it is reading the things. So you just give the crisp idea of what you actually want to go for.
Yes.
Okay. Just give the crisp idea. We don't require to read you each and every sentence.
Now my idea is to sell the e-books such as like financial materials, how to make financial plans, and such as we can add as a course my idea in our universities, such as a subject we give them practical knowledge of finance. such as this finance subject is for everyone, but in our education system there is not added because they add their streams. But in real life we earn money and then we need to have financial education. So we need on YouTube have many influencers, but they misguide our population.
How many slides are there?
Sir, total 7 hai.
How many remain?
Sir, this is 4th.
So still you are on business idea?
Yes, I want.
Post slide.
Yes.
So you are not given the business idea still. So come up with the next slides. Next slide, please. Next slide. How can you all the slides are a business idea?
Sir, I added just a topic, but I added points like why I want to do this, why, how we can reach our dream clients.
Next slide.
This is last. Thank you for watching.
So where is the costing, revenue sharing model?
Sir, revenue sharing model is which?
Market captures. You have given all financials in terms of history.
Yes.
First of all, thank you so much that you have given this presentation in the form of your core domain. Irrespective of other contenders, they have given the different domains.
Yes.
So, are you the finance student?
Yes, finance student.
So, your idea is wonderful. You can think over doing this for the society.
Yes.
But you are not given the right data in terms of finance. So, you are given all the history. That is something in your mind. But this idea should have to become on a paper in terms of data, finance, so that you can make it feasible. Understand?
Yes.
So I think so you have to work more on this proposal so that you can present next year again.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, sir.
Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Now, I would like to invite Jashandeep Singh of BBA first semester. Can we have a huge round of applause for him, please?
Hello everyone, my name is Jashandeep Singh and I am a student of BBA first year, and I am not here for telling my business plan. It's already in a running business, so I am just here to give a chance to all you guys to make money. So how many people here want to earn money from investing? Can I have the number please? So I can see a few students are raising hand. So if you want to earn money, so it's basically, we know we are the management students, so we know that business is all about risk. So without risk we cannot do business and we cannot earn more money, because jobs are secure but they can't give the money more. So this is an Australian company named Titan Capital Markets. So I am just basically here for promoting my company. I am a member of this company. So introduction of this company is this is Australia-based company, and the name is Titan Capital Market, and it's have more than 100+ professional staff, and it's a broker company. How many of you? Yes, sir.
Jashandeep, I think so you are on the wrong platform. This platform is to share some idea which is unique, to share with others. We are not judging over here which is already company in the market.
Sir, I'm just giving the idea to students to earn money.
No, that is a different thing, but the platform is chosen is wrong.
Your idea.
Your uniqueness.
What is your business plan?
So it's my promotion. So I have asked ma'am. So it's just about the promotion and how can student can earn money from now.
But I don't think so it's the right platform to give this idea. This is not an idea.
Yes,
so
sir.
we are here to judge the idea. This is already running company in the market.
Yes, sir.
So you can share this about the company product and all to the some other time. But this is not right platform.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
The risk to remain tied in a bud was more painful than the risk it moved to blossom. Now I would like to invite Manish of BCom third semester. Can we have a huge round of applause for him, please?
तो मेरा तो मेरा आइडिया है कि आप सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब आप ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में जैसे बसेस का सफ़र करते हैं तो आपने देखा कि वहाँ पे बहुत से एक तो बस वाले जो हैं बहुत रश उसमें डाल देते हैं, मतलब बस में। और दूसरा कि टिकट जब आप जैसे कि हम कॉलेज में जैसे पढ़ने आते हैं हम लोग, तो जो बस वाले हैं उनमें टिकट भी नहीं देते कभी कभी, और क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट को तो टिकट देते भी नहीं है, बाई चांस ही कभी कभी वो टिकट देते हैं। तो मैंने एक आइडिया सोचा है कि एक ऐसा मशीन बनाया जाए जिसमें एक जैसे एटीएम कार्ड होता है, एटीएम कार्ड जैसा वो एटीएम कार्ड होगा, और हम उसमें जैसे कि मंथली का रिचार्ज करेंगे, ठीक है उसमें। और आजकल तो ईवी क्या बसेस आ रही हैं, तो उसमें ये प्रोडक्ट, ये जो चीज़ है, ये वाला इसमें टिकट वाला ये है नहीं उसमें। तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, मंथली रिचार्ज करने के, और जिसका जो कॉस्ट होगा टिकट का वो कम होगा। जैसे अभी बस वाले जो लेते हैं उनसे हाफ रेट होगा इस टिकट का। और इनसे जो कंपनी ऑनर्स हैं उनको जब जैसे बस में 50 सीट है तो उनको 50 सीट के हिसाब से उनको प्रॉफिट मिलता है बस ऑनर्स वाले को। बीच में कंडक्टर हो गया, हमारा बस ड्राइवर हो गया, ये कंडक्टर जो होता है टिकट चेकर होता है, वो तो टिकट जितने सीट्स है तो टिकट लेता ही है, और जब बाकी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको टिकट भी नहीं देता, और बहुत ज़्यादा रश होता है उस बसेस में। और तो अगर हम ये ऑटोमेटिक मशीन लगा देंगे जिसमें हम रिचार्ज करेंगे, और अपना क्या कहते हैं, जब हम बस सर्विस लेने जा रहे हैं तो हम बस के अंदर एंटर करने से पहले स्कैन करेंगे, ठीक। उससे फिर ऑनर जो है उनको ट्रांजैक्शन, जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है आज की, जितने भी सब ये क्या कहते हैं अपने कस्टमर हैं, उतने उनको रिकॉर्ड मिल जाए कि हाँ हमारा इतना जो क्या कहते हैं
रेवेन्यू प्रॉफिट,
हाँ आज का जो जितने भी हमारे कस्टमर का रिवेन्यू आया है इतना है। क्योंकि जो ये कंडक्टर वगैरह वो तो बताते नहीं है, वो तो सिर्फ अपना जेब भरने के लिए टिकट देते नहीं और स्टूडेंट से पैसे ले लेते हैं।
Just like you have said that a particular machine, a swiping machine will be installed. Okay. So again, each and every one of you will not be having that card.
Yes.
Okay. So again, there will be requirement of conductor also and the swipe machine also. And the thing is, when you actually see the condition, okay, the number of students which they are carrying in the bus, okay, so that is very large. And it is very difficult that each and every one is swiping, okay, and in that way, because they are having very limited time, okay, they are not having more than even 1 minute for a particular station, okay. So if they are swiping one by one, number of students is so large, so it will take a lot of time, okay. So and because they are having paucity of time, and because there are running buses. And again, you might have seen there are so many quarrels between the conductors also, okay, because the time of the next bus is it is just near to that the actual bus. So, what is your take on that?
सर जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ये तो टाइम ले रहा बहुत, ठीक है, और सभी एक मान लीजिए जैसे कि हम मान लेते कि सबको आजकल तो जो मतलब पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, ठीक है सर, तो वो तो इसका यूज़ नहीं कर सकते ना, जो पढ़े लिखे सिर्फ वही करेंगे। तो मैंने सोचा जैसे जो पढ़े लिखे हैं वो तो इस कार्ड का यूज़ कर, जैसे एक मान लीजिए जैसे कि एक ऐप है, ठीक है, तो आजकल हम बसेस का पहले टिकट भी बना लेते हैं, जैसे ट्रेन वगैरह का होता है वैसे बसेस का भी बना लेते हैं, तो हम इसका भी पहले बसेस टिकट बना लेंगे। और क्योंकि आपका जो एटीएम जैसे कार्ड होगा उसमें से आपका पैसा डिडक्ट हो जाएगा और टिकट आ जाएगा, ठीक है आपको, और आप जाएंगे बस ऐसे स्कैन करके, एक स्टेशन होगा जैसे आजकल हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे हर चौक पे बना हुआ है ना वैसे, तो वहाँ पे एक स्टेशन होगा, हम पहले जाके मतलब वहाँ पे हमारा स्कैन वगैरह करवा लेंगे, ठीक है, तो और वहाँ पे जो हमारे पैसेंजर वगैरह होंगे वहाँ पे आकर खड़े रहेंगे, ठीक है, जैसे ही बस आएगी फिर उसमें एंटर कर देंगे बस में वो।
ये काम
Yes, who will be doing this very task? फिर उसके लिए अलग से भत्ता रखना पड़ेगा हर एक स्टॉप पे।
सर वो तो सर एक होगा ही सर,
इतने ही बंदे रखेंगे तो जितना उसको रेवेन्यू में जितना उसको फायदा होना उससे ज्यादा नुकसान हो जाएगा। इतने बंदे रख देंगे तो उनको भी तो पे करना पड़ेगा।
वो तो करना
Yes or no?
वो तो करना पड़ेगा
तो
सर।
फिर what will be the you can say which owner will be interested in this very model? जो भी बस का ओनर होगा वो कहेगा कि आपने मुझे मेरा फायदा तो कराया 500 रुपए का और नुकसान करा रहे हो आप मेरा 2000 रुपए का।
सर ये जो मैं अभी ये जो आइडिया सोचा था, ये जैसे पेट्रोलियम हमारी गाड़ी चल, ये जो डीजल वगैरह पे चलती है, बस से डीजल पे चल रही है, ये इसके लिए नहीं है। जैसे कि अभी आगे रेवोल्यूशन आ रहा है ईवी सेक्टर का, तो ईवी सेक्टर, हाँ जी सर, तो ईवी सेक्टर में
वो कौन सा फ्री चल जाती है ईवी में?
तो सर क्या कहते हैं अपना पेट्रोल ये डीजल वगैरह का रेट अभी हाई है ना, क्योंकि हम बाहर से इंपोर्ट करते हैं।
तो जो ईवी की जो गाड़ियां चलेंगी तो उसमें बैटरी यूज होगी बेटा?
वो तो होंगी।
तो बैटरी की जो रिप्लेसमेंट कॉस्ट है, कभी आपने एनालिसिस किया है कि वो कितनी है? इट इज इन लैक्स। ओके, तो रनिंग कॉस्ट नो डाउट उसकी कम है, बट जब उसको 5 साल बाद 7 साल बाद जब उसकी रिप्लेसमेंट करानी होगी बैटरीज की, देन व्हाट विल बी द सिनेरियो इन दैट केस? हम सिर्फ एक एस्पेक्ट देख के बोल रहे हैं कि यस ईवी की गाड़ियां आ जाएंगी। पहले तो पेनिट्रेशन देखो कितनी कम है ईवी की गाड़ियों की, है अभी
तो सर नहीं, अभी तो शुरुआत हो रहा है उस चीज का।
ओके, तो ईवी का टिकटिंग के साथ क्या रिलेशन? चाहे ईवी पे चले गाड़ी चाहे पेट्रोल पे चले, टिकटिंग तो अलग एस्पेक्ट हो गया ना।
वो तो है सर, लेकिन मैंने ऐसे इसलिए कहा था जैसे कि आजकल ये जो कंडक्टर वगैरह टिकट वाले वो बहुत ज्यादा फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं।
ओके,
इसलिए ये मशीन का मैंने
तो फ्रॉड को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए दे आर हैविंग मैकेनिज्म, दे आर रैंडमली चेकिंग द बसेस आल्सो।
नहीं सर, आप टिकट में क्या करेंगे, जैसे कि आप तो उसके बाद कौन सा प्रूफ है कितना पैसा वो ले रहा है कितना नहीं ले रहा, मेंशन भी नहीं होता बस में कि हाँ स्टूडेंट का इतना रुपया है या
नो, दे आर हैविंग दैट वेरी जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस होता है द व्हिच इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द टिकट, तो दे आर हैविंग दैट मैकेनिज्म। जो टिकट आपको मिलता है ओके प्रिंटेड टिकट, तो जो बसेस में वो आपको अवेलेबल हो रहा है। जो बाकी की बसेस हैं, आई थिंक यू आर आल्सो नॉट हैविंग दैट नॉलेज, जो बाकी की बसेस हैं दे आर मोस्टली ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस। जहां पे वो टिकट नहीं दे रहे हैं ना, तो वो क्या है, दैट इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस के ऊपर बसेस उन्होंने दे रखी हैं, ठीक है, कि दैट दे हैव टू गिव फिक्स अमाउंट एवरी मंथ और एवरी फोर्टनाइट, जस्ट लाइक दैट। सो दैट इज द रीजन। ये नहीं है कि कंडक्टर को खुली छुट्टी दे दिया कि तू चोरी कर, किसी ने भी नहीं दी हुई है ये। अगर कंडक्टर आपकी टिकट नहीं काट रहा है तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पे होगी बस, कोई भी ये अलाउ नहीं करेगा। ओके, इवन द वेरियस गवर्नमेंट दिस पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट द PRTC, दे यूज्ड टू रैंडमली चेक द बसेस कि टिकट है या नहीं है। कभी आप पब्लिक बस में बैठे होंगे तो कभी हुआ है कि उसने टिकट नहीं दी कंडक्टर ने?
सर अभी तो मैं पब्लिक प्राइवेट बस में जो
प्राइवेट बस की बात वही है ना, वो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बसेस हैं। कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल उन्होंने कहा हुआ है कि एक दिन का हमें वी रिक्वायर दिस मच ऑफ रेवेन्यू एवरी डे। आप टिकट काटो ना काटो, बस खड़ी रखो, हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है। That is why they are not interested in giving you tickets. Otherwise, no owner is you can say so naive. Okay. Yes, sir.
Manish, you are from which course?
Sir, BCom.
BCom, second year.
Yes sir, second year.
Okay. First of all, thank you that you are standing on platform with the confidence without any you presented. Whatever the idea you are giving, that is secondary. Primarily, you presented very confidently. But I would like to suggest make a team,
yes,
so that they can support you to present. Somehow you are not able to find out the right words to present. So secondly, now coming on the ideas, when you present the idea, you must have to survey the market. So because you just sharing that you travel on the private buses, not the government public sector buses. Secondly, very important, this structure is already applicable in the market and metro cities. Metro card can be used in the buses, so it's a one-time charge in Delhi, Mumbai around. So I would like to suggest you take a mentor, talk to them, and then make an idea.
Okay.
But this zeal should not be die. You have to inculcate so that you can present in future as well.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर। ये जैसे मेरा मोटो था सिर्फ कि जैसे मैं कभी स्टेज पे नहीं आया, मैं तो मेरे को डर लगता था।
Oh, very nice of that. We really applaud for that.
थैंक यू सर, आपने
Everything worthwhile carries with it some sort of risk. Whether it's starting a new business, whether it's leaving home, whether it's getting married, or whether it's flying into space. Now I would like to culminate this event with a huge round of applause. Now I would like to invite Mr. Rajesh Kapoor upon the stage to motivate the future entrepreneurs.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me over here to judge this event. I found some of the events, some of the presentation was wonderful, extremely well. But I also would like to appreciate all the contestants, those are participated, irrespective of their ideas, where they land. So, in terms of judging the process, I try to follow the norms which is already given. But one of the candidate we disqualify is not mean that idea is not good or he is not doing well. I think so, Jason. Yes. He's here only. Yes. So you can share your ideas sometimes later with your colleagues and friends. If you are giving some idea to generate revenue, earn money, is one of the best things. To converting idea into the money is only that we are learning here. So whatever we are learning in the universities, campus, the education what we are getting over here is to generate the money in terms of our knowledge, skills. That is the only vision we are carrying over here. So what the campus placement department, CRC department is doing, that is the same we are inculcating how to get the job, how to be fit in a particular areas. So this kind of event must have to be contained at least every 3 months or something in the twice or thrice in a year, so that at least you can have aware what kind of market scenario is and how market is going on. So I don't think so this is the right platform for me to share the other content and platforms available in the market where you can get the seed money, business ideas, or you can make these ideas to be in a last longer. So there are many ideas which is already there in the market which is not fruitful, successful. But making the idea successful is again one of the best protocols that you can achieve. So now there are few of the areas where you have to study and how Indian governments are supporting in sense of seed money, angel investors and idea generations. So you must have to visit some of the sites just like SIDBI, MSME. So there are ideas which can be converted into money. So they are doing practically in the market. So before presenting such ideas, you have to take other ideas to be motivate yourself and present yourself. Anything you would like to ask from us as a judge, I would like to answer. And from my side, this event was wonderful. I would like to congratulate to management department, our faculty, Dr. Kamal sir, and rest of all the team of the management department as well. So thank you so much that you have invited me here. And I judge your students, not only the idea in terms of, but I try to see the spark in them, so that will help me understand their potential for the career placement as well. So I would like to ask these students, all of them, they can come in the CRC, we can understand their progress reports, their interest level, how they are looking forward their career in future as well. So invited, all of you are invited in the CRC, those who have presented over here. So we will definitely have a chat over there. So thank you Kamal sir, thank you team members, thank you so much, thank you sir, thank you so much. And I would like to hand over to mic to Kamal ji. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, sir, for sparing your valuable time and making this event a success. And I would like to assure you that our students will follow what you have said and what you have suggested. And again, your words of wisdom will act as a source of inspiration for all the students. Thank you very much, sir.
Second position goes to Mohit, Sadhana and Nancy. Any guesses for the first position? There's a tie in first position. First position goes to Prince, Talochan and Mehakpreet Kaur and Jaskaran Singh.
The winners will be getting the certificates. Yes, winners will be getting the certificates. We will be arranging a felicitation ceremony for them in the reception area. Okay.
I cannot present this idea.